Alright, today I'm going to be filming on the Moment app using regular lenses. Obviously this is the front facing camera. Anyway, it still blows my mind how a setup like this will enable you to create content. Amazing. Links are below if you guys want to buy it. Anyway, today's video has to do with my buddy. And I think this is something that is overlooked, especially if you are a Birdy owner with 20-inch rims. So I'm just going to run through the folding with you guys, and I'm going to highlight something that you need to look out for when you are folding a Birdy with 20-inch rims specifically. Okay, so let's unfold the Birdy right now, and something I want to highlight to you. Let's just start with the fold. Firstly, we start with the handlebar. Okay, we bring up the seat. Okay. Okay, so this is how we unfold it. So let's go through the folding process right now. Make sure the pedals are not exactly horizontal, but in this position. Okay, let's just start with this. Now, this is the part that everyone needs to take note of. For 20-inch rims, take note. Notice the space over here. You must make sure you use your left hand and pull it in towards. It's a very, very slight movement. Again, when you do a natural fold, can you see? Like this. You can either use your hand to pull the rear wheel into the frame, or you press down on the seat. One more time. The space here. The tendency is that you think this is done and it's complete, and then you proceed with the fold and you realize that the seat post gets in the way and it's not really a complete fold. So take note, for 20-inch rims, push down on the seat or lift up. I tend to just push it down like that, and make sure the rear wheel gets tucked further into the frame itself. Now once this is done, you proceed with this. Okay, making sure the front wheel doesn't hit the rear derailleur, and as you go down, just again make sure you tuck in the rear wheel. You tuck in the rear wheel and then you close it up like so. Okay, once this is done, seat post down, handlebar gets folded down like so, and it's all folded nicely. So that was the thing I wanted to highlight to everyone, to all the Birdy owners with a 20-inch rim setup. Could be an oversight, because sometimes, the first couple of days, you know, when I received it, I kept folding it in, and I realized like it wasn't balancing properly. It kept falling to the side, and I was actually wondering myself, what is going on? Is there something wrong with the bicycle? Is there something wrong with the fold? And it was only after I went back to eWalker that Jeffrey highlighted it to me. So that's the video for today. I hope you guys liked it. And just before I sign off, now that we're going to phase 2, we are not out of the woods yet. Gentle reminder to everyone that it is your personal responsibility to stay safe and to keep others safe. Always have your mask on if you're going outdoors. Until then, I'll see you soon. Bye.